Did I do it again? Alright, so how many of you guys forget to turn off your gas bottles after you get done welding and you come out to an empty tank? Well, for Tool Time Tuesday, our friends at Strong Hand Tool took care of us on this one. So they came up with this pretty nifty little idea that, so you just snap this on top of your valve on your bottle, right on the handle, and let you know if you left the gas on or not. So you basically, you buy these by what profile is on the inside. And guess what? Shows it on the outside too. You just press it on top of the bottle because you're going to reuse these as you change out your bottles. But watch this. As you open, when you open it up all the way, it turns red. You can be just walking out into the shop or just leaving and realize I see red on the bottle, so I must have left it on again. Alright, so then that's your key, right? So the minute you go to close it, it changes color. Just make sure you take it from all the way open to all the way closed, and it'll work good for you. That way you ain't buying a $70 to $100 bottle of gas. Alright, so we do a lot of work with our friends at Strong Hand, and they seen that we didn't have these yet and sent them to us. And, well, I think it's something good for you as well. That little valve top, that little handle that shows you whether it's open or closed, especially a small shop like this, where you'll get, anywhere from 60 to 100 bucks tied up in a bottle if you're running the smaller bottles. And that way it's a quick visual. Red it's open, yellow it's closed. So just check out that Strong Hand valve top. I'll leave it in the description below. And check out some of the other tools as well. I mean, they're geared up around fairly inexpensive tools. You can buy all this stuff for a big shop, for a small shop as well. It doesn't break the bank. And we'll see you on the next Tool Time Tuesday. See you here for some places to use something like this.